Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Synthesia, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a video in Synthesia? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a video in Synthesia anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and maybe you're putting together SOPs or standard operating procedures, sometimes it's easier to have a video created just from text and AI. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the synthesia.io. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Synthesia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a video in Synthesia using AI, there's actually a few different ways you can do this. The first and easiest way is here on the left. You want to click on templates. Once you do that, you can see Synthesia has a huge amount of templates. So you can kind of scroll through and see which one fits your goal. So for example, here is a product demo. Here is a job advertisement. Here's a training video. So you can choose from any of these, and basically it's going to give you the framework to create one of these videos, or you can go ahead and start from scratch by clicking on this blue button right here. Also, if you don't want to use the templates, you can go ahead and just click on new video here on the top right. And then same thing, start from a blank or use a template. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use a template. So I like this one right here. So I'm going to click use template. Okay, so as you can see, it's split up into different scenes. So maybe the first scene is going to be the intro. The second scene might be a product demonstration. And then the third scene might be to ask the person to buy the product. And you can add in different scenes. So we click add scene. Okay, once you click on add scene, you can go ahead and scroll through and see which template you want the second scene to be for. So let's see here. This one looks pretty good right here. So I'm going to click add scene. Okay, so let's go to scene one. And then right below, you're going to see this text right here. So we can go ahead and click in here. And I'm going to delete this text, and I'm going to type in a direction. This is my new product to clean the bathroom. Okay, so you can go ahead and just continue typing it in, and Synthesia is going to turn this into a video. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go ahead and delete all of this. Okay, once you delete it, just type in a few letters and highlight it, and you're going to see this edit with AI. Okay, this is a product introduction about my tool to clean bathrooms. Okay, and then enter. Okay, as you see, it's already typed out this information, so I'm going to click on replace. Okay, so now we have a new intro. Introducing our new bathroom cleaning tool. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and dirt. It's easy to use. Okay, now this person, maybe she doesn't fit my product, or she doesn't fit the target audience for my product, so we can click down here, and her name's Olivia. So we can go ahead and click new speaker, and we can kind of scroll through and then see who we would like to use. So this guy looks pretty clean, so we'll just click on him. Okay, now you can see that we have this person. His name's Arthur. So he's going to be the spokesperson for our video. And we can go ahead and click in here and move myself out of the way. Okay, let me highlight this. Bathroom cleaning product. Okay, now you can see the text is overrunning, so we can just click into each box. It's kind of like setting up a Facebook page. You just kind of move it around until it looks nice. So this is moving everything around. So let me grab this box inside, get that box separated, and I'm going to pull this down. Clean like never before. Okay, now this color doesn't really look clean to me, so I'm going to go ahead and click in here, make sure it's around this box, and then I'm going to click here, and maybe I'm going to do a green. That looks pretty good. And then I'll click into this other yellow right here. Okay, and let me go ahead and change this color. Let's do maybe a orange. And then if you want to add in extra text or anything like that, you can go ahead and just look right up here, and you can drag in different types of media, different types of text by using these buttons up here. So this looks pretty good. Let's move on to scene number 2 here on the left. Okay, so let's go ahead and change this new speaker. Let's go ahead and maybe add this woman right here. And you can see she changes down here. And we can go ahead and highlight this. Once you use this cleaning product, you will never go back. Okay, so as you can see, you're going to build out scene by scene until you have a video. And then once you're ready to go ahead and create your Synthesia video, up here on the right, we're going to click on generate. Here we can go ahead and add a title, bathroom cleaning product promo, and we can add a description. This is our new product to clean the bathroom. Okay, now we're going to click on generate. Okay, now it's processing. Okay, it's still processing right now. So it's a lot of work to put this into voice mode and then also to adjust their faces. So I'm going to check back in with you once this video is ready. Okay, guys, about 11 minutes later, the video has processed. So now we have created an AI video in Synthesia. So let me go ahead and click on the play. And now you can see his lips are moving with exactly what we had typed before. You can't hear it on this particular video, but he's talking in a really natural manner. And then we switch into a new scene, and then she has her voice apart from his voice. Pretty good. And it really looks like she's actually talking through it. Okay, so now that we've created a video in Synthesia, if we want to download it, we can just click right up here and then download it to our desktop, or we can publish it by clicking here, and then we can create a link to share. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create an AI video in Synthesia, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, Be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.